Friends, is a hole in the electric motor of a 2013 Ford Cmax. It was very tough to get to, very difficult to see. The more I rotate this, the more chunks of metal come out. That is an alignment pin between two stress-bearing components. That's not good. The individual stated the car overheated and it stopped running. There was a lot of clattering from under the hood, and the computer said to pull it aside safely. So the engine was totally seized, not even a tiny bit of movement. Drain the oil. Oil looked good. Pull the oil pan. No debris in the oil pan. Oil looked good. None of the mechanical components are compromised inside the engine. Good rods, good pistons. Pull the spark plugs. Spark plugs look good. No fluid, no antifreeze inside the cylinders, and the coolant is at the proper level. No leaks in the coolant system, and the oil was properly maintained and at the proper level. Yet this engine would not move, and when it was, the electric motor that's inside here was holding this engine. I dropped the bolts to the mains. This is a bed plate engine, so if you get in here, be careful. You have to slowly release everything at once. You cannot take down just one main cap. You'll wind up breaking your bed plate if you get in there with a lever. So after I loosened all these bolts, all the main cap bolts, I was able to get a tiny bit of movement. I mean just a tiny bit. At which point the parts started falling out the side, and it's way up in there. It's really, really tough to see. The parts start falling on the floor, and I imagine more will fall if I continue to that thing's really gummed up something fierce. So we got a good gas motor, bad electric motor. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.